The members of Expressions JA YouTube channel would like to extend a big thank you to everyone who supported our annual cookout. It was a big success, and we would like to say an even bigger thank you to our main sponsor, Jellyman Coconut Water. See you all next year.
What is our condition? Anybody come visit her? Just keep an eye on her for me. No, me can't left now. Not for their Jamaica. Just put 2 of your people on her if you keep an eye on her. Alright, cool.
Yo, Queen.
Oh, boy.
I know I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
How many years going with Miss Angie shop the other day?
Boy, me used to them rubber shop, dog, you see it?
So, what thing say on a year, man?
Don't think about already. I see some little strange face, man, in our place, you see it? I don't know if it's some imported thing.
So, how you feel that responsible for that?
Boy, I couldn't tell you that still, bro. Me's a man just come on my work and do my thing and head in back, you see it? Nah, no time for no waste thing, bro, you see it? Not to depend on certain thing, you see what I say? Yeah.
I really want to move, bro. But you know, at the same time, you have to keep your ears and your head in open, you see me?
That's true.
Can't have no man afford in a place and don't even know them face, brother. Some things are going on and not talk. Can't feel to talk, brother. Cause it can be you. It can be a man just circle your place, brother, and violate a certain way, you see me?
Yeah, man, real talk, man. But you don't know me, I keep me ears on the ground, man. If anything, you don't know me, make you connect and make you know what I'm going, man. You see what I say? But you don't know, you're going to keep your eye open, said speed, you see it? Yeah, man, I hate, man.
You know me, I met, brother. You see Miss Angie, she'll stay up in her place, bro. And if them can pray for rob she, brother, nobody not safe.
Yeah, man, I say 40, man. You don't know me, you connect up, man, and make you know what is what on the ground, said speed. Cause you don't know where you're out, you know. You see what I say? You don't know guidance, man. Big up yourself, bro.
Alright, I say a word, man. You don't know.
Yeah, man, you don't know,
Moments
man.
again.
Protection, man.
See?
See it?
Yeah, man, you don't know me. Ready to shot me again.
Yeah, man, I just say, you know, one clean cut,
He's
isn't it?
not clean
Yeah,
out.
man.
Silent. Why you do something for me? Alright. Why you spend some time down at turf and find out who responsible for the robbery going down at Miss Angie shop, see? Yeah man. I don't want a shadow right now. I'm good. Yeah, just jump on that quick and fast. Alright. Hello?
We need for talk. You busy?
Not at the moment. What you say?
Not over the phone. Me I go back at the house. You can come by?
Alright.
In the next 45 minutes.
Alright.
Yes, German. White Pro box. You check the camera them. You run the plate. Really? Interesting. Alright. Keep looking and keep me posted.
Remember to join us at 8 p.m. tonight, right after the uploads for Sunday Night Lime.